Close your eyes for a moment and picture this. You step out of your home, spread your wings, and lift off into the open sky. The wind rushes past your face as you glide effortlessly above the bustling streets below. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? But what if it weren't? What if humans could actually fly? Flying has always fascinated us, from ancient myths of Icarus to modern superheroes like Superman. It's a symbol of ultimate freedom and power. But if we had wings and the ability to fly, would it really be as magical as we imagine? Today we'll explore the pros, the cons, and the fascinating biology behind why humans don't have wings and what would happen if we did. First, let's address the question, why don't humans have wings? The answer lies in biology and evolution. 1. Body structure. Humans are mammals, and unlike birds, our bodies aren't built for flight. Birds have lightweight, hollow bones, streamlined bodies, and large chest muscles to support their wings. Our bones, in contrast, are dense and heavy, perfect for walking, running, and climbing, but terrible for flying. 2. Energy demands. Flight requires an immense amount of energy. Birds eat constantly to fuel their flight, but humans would need to eat several times more just to flap wings. 3rd evolutionary need. Evolution only develops traits that serve a purpose. For humans, walking upright and using tools were far more advantageous than flying. Wings simply weren't necessary for. Now let's imagine a parallel world where humans evolved to have wings. 1. Body modifications. To accommodate wings, our bodies would need massive changes. We'd likely have smaller, lighter bodies to reduce weight. Our chest muscles would grow larger to support wing movement, making us look more bird-like. Wings would span several feet, requiring open spaces for takeoff and landing. 2. Energy and diet. Flying would demand tremendous energy. Our metabolism would skyrocket, and we'd need to consume high-calorie diets, much like birds. Everyday tasks might become more exhausting, requiring frequent rest. There's no denying the advantages of flying. 1. Freedom of movement. Forget traffic jams or delayed flights. You could travel directly from point A to point B. Imagine flying to work, over mountains, or across oceans. 2. Environmental benefits. With fewer cars and airplanes, pollution levels could drop. Flying humans would leave a much smaller carbon footprint. 3. Recreational opportunities. Flying could become the ultimate sport. Sky races, aerial stunts, and synchronized flying would redefine entertainment. What do you think? Would you want to live in a world where humans could fly? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this journey of imagination, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating what-if scenarios.